Let thy kingdom come on earth, people, not in heaven, not where the streets are made of gold. Heaven's gonna come here. Our job is to bring it here. We're to build a replica of it here while we await his return, to show that it can be done in any environment because of the power we have. Everybody's trying to still get the material things. That's why we're missing it. That's why we're not getting the full blessings. And it leads us to have to now depend on the world to take care of us, to provide for us what it doesn't have the power to do. And no amount of money can make them do it for you. But that's what we keep trying to build up and put our faith and trust in. You got to be willing to die for the Lord in your faith before you can serve him. What do you think he meant when he said, unless you're willing to give up your own life, you cannot be my disciple?